This is Kulai River. We have come to this village to see whether people have made use of the tins and other things that were distributed from Bosco Reach Out for flood affected people. So one house here, one house I want to see because of the see. This is because mud remains for long time. You see here, mud is this is filter that was given, and they are making use of it. They are making the house like this because to escape the flood. Hello to everybody. Today is 24th of October. This is Kulai River. We have come to this village to see whether people have made use of the tins and other things that were distributed from Bosco Reach Out for flood affected people. So one house here. Sunar song. Mai bapin tin ko mai bajok. Ya no. Oi wa dong kunya. So this is one family where the tin was given last, I think it was September, and they have made use. They have covered the veranda at least. This is the veranda, and I think 2 or 3. I don't know how many here, still here. There are still 2. Made use of them. This is the river Kulai there, and they are just meters away from the Kulai River. And this house almost collapsed. One house here, I think here, here. One house here was there. He has been carried away. So let us see the house. You see this condition of this house. The lower part of this house is gone. You see the effect is still there, and this house is slanting, leaning towards this side. You see, this house has almost collapsed. This side they have covered with the plastic, with the tarpaulin, and I suppose this tarpaulin also was given by some NGO. See let me go and see. See here, you see the condition from inside. It is very, very clear. This is the here. If you stand here, I'm getting the smell from the rot of the bamboos and the mud, and it is here that they stay here. Quite pathetic condition. See there, the mud has been eroded, or the mud has been taken away by the flood water. So this is one house. This is one house, or this is one beneficiary from Bosco Reach Out. Tins were given here, 12 tins for this family and for other families. This is the name of this lady who received the tin, and this is the husband, and children are also there. This is one child, one boy, holding the lamb that was also given by Bosco Reach Out. Na poray ma poray ja. Poray ya. Yako jaklinga walo. Poray na. So So I just asked him whether he made use of this lamp for study. He said yes. Where Bano Poranya? Bano Pore? Huh? Bitung. He's studying in a school called Bitung. So this house also just very close to the river Kupli. Just maybe not even 50 meters. My balloon, yeah. Huh? Bunny balloon. So the mosquito nets were also distributed and blankets were distributed, and they are making use of them. So this lady is showing the lights, the lamp rather, solar lamp that was given by Bosco Reach Out, and the blankets. Here she sleeps here with the children, grandchildren. I want to show this family. We also give tins and relief materials here, food relief materials. I just want to show inside. Nina, here they cook. I want to see this. You see here, this is the tins that we give, distributed in this village, and this is one of the beneficiaries. But I want to see here the condition. This mud was brought from the river or brought by the flood water. See the condition here. It is quite terrible actually. And somebody, I think, maybe sleeping here. There's a statue there, but to see condition here, very bad. So this is a result of the flood, and this house is practically gone, and they will remove after some time. They will make new one, and this tin will be made use of. The tin that she's showing that she's making use of the solar light, solar lamp, and children also study by making use of this solar lamp. From here, the river can be seen very nicely, beautifully. This is the river Kupli that causes flood every year to this village. We'll see in this house whether they have made use of the tins or not. Tins and other things. One house I want to see because of the, see, this is because of the flood water. This house here, this one house here is completely gone. Of course, this is now go down. That is because it is no more livable, no more inhabitable. See, this is the effect of the flood water because of the flood. These are the tins that have been given. Of course, they have not made use of it. They say by November, December, they will make use of these tins. This is a house where they stay, and you see here what is the condition of this house. Some utensils there, and this is a filter that was given from Bosco Reach Out, by Bosco Reach Out. They are making use of it. We are inquiring whether they are making use of the things, and this lady showing the blankets and the lights. This filter is being used. The lights they're making use. So porayna ba jakalama bisarang light ko
porayna jakala.
Jakala mo. So the children are also making use of the light to study. Now they are at school, they are not at home. Mosquito nets also they are making use of. I will show you one house. See here, all have been sing along that the mud remains for long time. You see here, mud is like this mud has been brought by the flood, and even now it is wet. Now only is beginning to dry. Now is October 24th. Flood occurred from May onwards, May 28, 29. Now and then flood occurred, especially in this village, Deramukh, where the river is just meters away. So this is the effect of the flood, and people can't even live here. They have to live somewhere else in the higher places, in the on the road, along the road, and on the embankments. So this is another proof that the people need help here. This lady will receive the blankets, solar lamps, and other things, mosquito net, and she is making use of them. This is filter that was given, and they are making use of it. We are going on this footbridge, hanging bridge, and this is the stream connecting to the river Kupli. This you might have seen in my videos during flood time when we go on this bridge. This is one house in Deramukh. They are making the house like this because to escape the flood, or to be able to escape the flood. It's a small house, maybe just 2 rooms down and 2 rooms up. So the tins that were given by Bosco Resort have been used to cover the roof on top. So these are the tins that were given by Bosco Resort, and this family, this beneficiary, has made use of the tin. So these are the tins on top. So it's a small house. You can see here where just 2 rooms down, as I said, and 2 rooms up. So she explaining that the water reaches this much, maybe 5 feet or so. Itulah. This is in Kulai group. Here, because of the flood, the house was damaged and the lower part rotten, and therefore this house has been removed from here, taken away from here, and the lady that we give the tin, the beneficiary of the tins given by Bosco Resort, has been used there on top, there on the roof. That is temporary house, as they have nowhere to live, and therefore made a temporary house and made use of the tins that were given by Bosco Resort. You might have seen this in my video. See, that house is completely damaged. Here also they have covered temporarily with the tarpaulins. These are the tins used for this temporary house for that lady. You will see in the photo that I will take. These are the tins actually. These are the tins, 12 of them. Now we are going back after a short review of the flood relief this year. But I just want to say that the floods happened from May 1819 up to the beginning of July, mid-July. Now has been almost 4 months, and we could see the condition of the people. Still, people are living in pathetic condition. People are still struggling. If anyone wants to help, contact me at 8131 828445.